Hey guys, Deronda here. If you're looking for a perfect holiday appetizer, I've got you covered. These are the first to disappear wherever I take them. You're going to need a pound of Little Smokies. I'm using the cheese flavored. If you'd like to use the beef flavored, you be my guest. You're going to need a pound of bacon. I'm using an apple smoked bacon, but any bacon will do. 1/2 cup of butter. I've cut in cubes because it's going to make it easier to melt. 1 cup of brown sugar that I'm going to add to our melted butter, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar I'm going to sprinkle on these before we bake them. Cut the bacon in to thirds. I'm using a chef's knife. And right, that looks great. And we're just going to pull them apart and wrap them around our little smokies. Oh yes, these are going to be fabulous. You're going to continue doing it till you have all your little sausages wrapped in bacon, just like that. This is a lot of fun. Get the kids in the kitchen if they're looking for something to do. I've got my bacon wrapped Little Smokies arranged here in a 13 by 9 inch baking dish. I've melted my 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar in with the butter, and I'm going to mix it around till we have this smooth like looking little glaze. And we're going to strategically just arrange it here over the top of our little smokies. All this is going to melt when it starts baking, so it doesn't need to be perfectly added here to the top. For that 1/2 cup of sugar, I'm just going to sprinkle it here on the top. Oh yeah, we're sweetening it up. And at this point, you want your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake these for 15 to 25 minutes on 375. In the last 5 minutes, we're going to crank the temperature of the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake. So these are off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for 20 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Bubbly. Smells so yummy. Cool down here till they stop bubbling. And while they're cooling, I'm just going to add a toothpick in each of my Little Smokies wrapped in bacon. That way people can just pick them up and eat them. And woo! I can't wait to try them. Gotta go in here and try one. And as a matter of fact, you want to get this out of the bacon grease and put them on a serving plate. Here goes. Oh my gosh. I can already tell it's going to be heavenly. Wow. Absolutely heavenly. A perfect appetizer for any occasion. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.